Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to generate an invoice in PayPal. So first thing is, please log into your PayPal account. So once you have logged in here, I've just logged into mine. So hit on the send and request button, and then on your right side you should see an option here, send an invoice. If you don't, not a problem. On your right here you will see an option called more. Click on it, and once you click on that, the first option will be create an invoice. Hit on it, get started. Now we should get into the generate invoice page. Just loading. Yep. So what you can do, okay, once you reach this page, on your right side hit on create invoice. So now we're going to create an invoice. Alright, there you go. So here on your right will be your details, and you can add your company logo here if you want. And then this will be the invoice number. It's an auto-generated number. If you don't want, you can add your own number, that's fine. And the invoice date, you can leave it as it is, or you can change it to a specific date. And then the due date as well, you can leave it as it is, or you can change it to a specific date. And here we have a template here, so you can choose based on what this invoice is for. Like if it's for a service, you can choose hours, or if it's for an item, you can choose quantity. And then the currency here, you can choose whatever currency you're going to charge. So probably I'll put US dollars here. Alright, so once that's done, so here under emails, so you type the email address of your customer or whom you're going to send this to. Alright, so once that's done, here under items, you're going to type what is this invoice is for, like what's the item it is for, the product it's for. So I'll just create a dummy one, and then the quantity, how many, it's just one, and then the price for it, probably $1. And then if there's tax or no tax, depends on whether it's taxable or not. Alright, and then description, you can add any other descriptions if you want, which is optional. And then if you have more items to add, you can hit on this add item or service button here. And if you have any specific message to your customer, you can mention it here. And then once that's done, all you have to do is hit on the send button here. So this will automatically send the invoice to your customer, as well as it will by default send a copy of the invoice to your email for your reference. And basically that is pretty much it is. I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.